This is an update video on the trial that I had for the citation for driving without a license plate. This is Sergeant Rook. He's the one that pulled me over. He gave me a citation for driving without a license plate and impounded my vehicle, even though I had a one-trip permit. It's good for 5 days and one trip, which is usually used for getting to the registration office to get your tags. And that's actually where I was headed. And I called the DMV to confirm this, but they don't even issue you a plate for a one-trip permit. They just give you a receipt, and you have to keep that receipt with you during your trip, which is exactly what I showed them.
They don't have your trip log. We're talking to the registration office right now. They don't have you being up there. So where we're running into is that your permit's not valid. Vehicle. I'm going to tow it, and you're going to go about your day. Okay? You're also going to receive a citation. That's how that's going to work. Problem solved. Stay right there for me.
You're getting way too much satisfaction over this. This is Stacy Speck. She's the magistrate over Precinct 3 of Tom Green County, Texas, and was the magistrate that was residing over my case. When I got there for the trial, they would not allow me in the courtroom with the video evidence that I had for my defense. So that made it a little bit difficult to defend myself. In the end, Stacy Speck found me guilty of driving without a license plate, even though I had a one-trip permit at that time. She gave me the maximum fine of $200 plus court costs. Came out to like $285. And since I refused to pay it and didn't try paying on it, she set up another hearing for me to explain why I haven't paid it or tried paying it. And here is an audio recording of mine and her conversation to show you how that went. And before anyone starts talking crap about you can't record in a courtroom, this was a conversation between me and the judge. There's nobody else included. Plus, when I did an information request on any audio or video recording of the trial, they said they're not a court of record and they didn't have anything. So I had to do my own documentation at this hearing.
So would you like to work with the payment plan?
Depending on what they have to offer, but I don't agree with the whole judgment thing and all anyway.
I understand that.
I mean, they don't even give you a temp tag for a one-trip permit.
That's not what we're here to discuss.
Yeah, we're not there to discuss that they don't issue a temporary plate for a one-trip permit. We're there to discuss how I'm going to pay the $300 judgment made by her on driving without the plate that they don't issue.
That's not what we're here to discuss.
Yeah, I know, but you didn't let me submit my evidence at trial.
Jack, I did let you submit the evidence that you gave. I submitted.
I went with Plan B on my defense, but I couldn't do my Plan A because you didn't allow me to submit my evidence.
Jack, the evidence that you submitted is in the court record. It's in there.
Yes.
So this is the show cause to find out how you want to pay your fine. Do you want to do the payment plan, or do you want to pay in full today?
I can't pay in full today.
So do you want to do the payment plan?
I don't really want to do that either. So
you don't want to do anything?
No, I don't want to, no.
Okay. So if you don't want to do the payment plan that you've agreed to do, in 30 days there'll be a warrant for your arrest.
I didn't agree to do it.
No, you did the first time. During the trial, you agreed for the payment plan.
Are you talking about what I signed in there?
Mm-hmm.
What I was told I have to sign, where I'll have a warrant issued. Yes, I was told if I don't sign, a warrant will be issued for my arrest. So I have to sign it. I was forced to.
Do you want to do a payment plan?
No.
Okay. So in 30 days, there'll be a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay.